Federal funds will soon help Gundersen Health System Ambulance reach more rural communities. News 19's Danny Smith explains how this is a step in the right direction for an already struggling profession.
Gundersen Health System Ambulance says it's their mission to care for patients with compassion, innovation, and excellence. And now they're getting a financial boost to help them do just that.
Incredibly helpful to what we're doing and to serve the patients and the people in Southwest Wisconsin.
That assistance coming from Representative Derek Van Orden, who helped secure $600,000 for the organization.
That could potentially get us 2 ambulances and most of the equipment.
Those ambulances will be used specifically to serve rural communities, where it's often difficult to move patients from a smaller hospital to the larger hospitals here in La Crosse.
Prior to us moving into the rural areas, it wasn't uncommon for a hospital to wait 12, 14, 16 hours for an advanced life support ambulance. So since we've expanded and continued, which is part of this program, continue to do so, those waits have gone down to an hour or 2.
But new equipment isn't the only thing needed. The industry is facing an EMS worker shortage. That's where Jamie Neighbor steps in.
This can be a service that is kind of taken for granted. Everybody expects to be able to call 911 and have somebody show up, but there is a point where there's just not going to be somebody there.
Her job is to help recruit and retain EMS workers, and she says it takes a certain type of person to fill this role.
If you have a desire to care for the people within your community and be that calming person in the storm, that is a great reason to get into EMS.
So whether it's help with the worker shortage or with lack of equipment, Thornstrom says he's happy to have the support.
Fortunately, the federal government and Congress and state governments as well have been very receptive to our challenges and have been helping, but there's always room for more. It's so important that we keep our EMS services solid and sustainable as well.
310 copies and we're at Station 5.
Reporting in La Crosse, Danny Smith, News 19.
Thornstrom also says he is hopeful they will have a new ambulance ready to serve patients in about 1 year. And for those thinking of becoming an EMS worker, Gundersen has partnered with Western Technical College to create a paramedic training program to make it easier to get EMS certified.